Today's legal ruling is a great day for America because it instills in us the faith that there is a justice system, even though there's 100 cameras around, that a judge will sit in her chambers and look at the law and look at the precedent without fear of favor. What the Court of Appeals, the highest court in the greatest state, in the greatest country, said today is that yes, no one is above the law, but no one is below the law either. And the case in which it relies upon is called the Molineux case. It's over 100 years old. And what the Court of Appeals said, you can't throw out 100 years of legal precedent because someone is unpopular. There was a over 100-year precedent that was thrown out by the intermediary court of appellate court that said the Molineux ruling, which is allowing people who a defendant is not charged with to come into court and testify. They said it was okay in the Harvey Weinstein case. But today, Judge Jenny Rivera, a real hero for women on this planet, said you can't convict someone based on their entire life and everything that they've done in their life. You can't allow more witnesses to come in and testify against the defendant than the defendant is actually charged with. From the moment I met him at his office in Midtown, he profoundly declared his innocence. He said, if you're going to represent me, you need to know I didn't rape anyone. I didn't sexually assault any of these women who I am charged with. He said the same thing to me today. He's also said the same thing to me when the verdict was read and I sat next to him, and he said, Arthur, how could this happen? I'm innocent. I'm innocent. We will be announcing ready for trial on the first day we walk into that courtroom, because we are. And Harvey will, under this new ruling, be able to take the stand, will be able to tell his side of the story, and be very consistent with what he said all along. What happens next is that actual judgment from the court will be sent up to the courthouse. It'll be, to the prison and to the courthouse. His case now will be redocketed like it just started from the beginning. And he will be transported down here to a facility down here yet to be determined. And we will go, it's like his case begins brand new, like those days, I guess 5 years ago, almost 6, when he was initially arrested and brought in, and we start from scratch.